Alright, first things first. Get a Miller High Life Champagne to Beers got there. And my Chi-Town season to make myself. Can't tell you what it is. Let's organize these now since I done dumped the damn things on here. So we're gonna spread these out. And the seasoning hitting me hard. So I can feel like I want to sneeze. Damn it, boy. Real Chi-Town real tips. Now, I have never posted a video that showed me cooking real tips straight from the beginning to the end. Now, people who know me like AGBornjamaican, Big Bad Kenny Brown, or some of them, those guys, you know, those my homies. You know, they've been over here, they've seen me in action and stuff like that, but I never did a YouTube video from front to end, because then a lot of people ask you, you know, what's your secret or whatever this is, because they see people on Yelp and Google saying how great your food is. And really, a lot of people just try to imitate what you do, you know, which really, I think some people say, well, they still ain't secret or whatever. But actually, I think it's a compliment due to the fact that, hell, you love it that damn much and you trying to be like me, hell, who am I to stand in your way? Just saying. You know, that's just how I get down. Because at the end of the day, if you don't have the equipment that I have, or the seasonings that I have, or anything I use, straight up Chi-Town, everything I order is from the state of Illinois. Straight up. So I came from, and that's what it's gonna be. Real Chi-Town pit barbecue. But on a real note, I never cooked the brisket before until I moved down here to Georgia. You know, I'm in Chicago, you know, briskets isn't that big up there, but when I moved down, what the hell is that? You know, but, you know, you used to order beef tacos, beef sausage, stuff like that, but not a big ass brisket. You know, you ain't seen nobody pulling out a Weber like, hey man, what you making today? A brisket? No, you didn't hear that. So it was a little different, but over the time, getting with a lot of pit masters and talking to people and watching people like my idol Vic Mo Cason, and asking a lot of questions, man. After a while, you figure it out. And even after you figure it out, you got these tips on here, whole case on the whole. What do? Hit it some more. Damn it, boy. Real pit barbecue. No Traegers, no gas grills out here, buddy. Whole damn county know what I'm cooking. Then we get on a trailer Friday, and then the whole damn intersection smell like amazing pit barbecue. Right there, buddy. Chi-Town style. Damn it, boy. Look at it. And it's just the beginning. So let's put the hood down on my ghetto crock pot and get us some more Miller High Life Champagne and Beers in there, so we can get these tips just right. So it's about 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 35 loins on there. So for me, that's about 50 dinners, 50 to 60, which we run through real quick, especially on a Saturday, right before Sunday college games come on. So by the time 8 p.m. Sunday, NFL kickoff at 8 p.m. for Sunday Night Football. Hell, we done sold out of every damn thing, but maybe one damn scoop of pulled pork. So come on down, 1475 McDonough Road, Lovejoy, Georgia, 30228 at the Shell gas station. We are in the northwest corner. You can't miss it. Just swallow the smoke, baby, and look for the bell with the diaper on, eating them goddamn Chi-Town real. Let's go. All right, 3.5 hours later, this is what one case of real tips get you. One full long wing candy pan. Look at that gristle and that smoke there. Look, the Hulk put down. Right there, buddy. Nice and tender. Then you got your second tray. Right there. Time for party.
AGBorn. I want to big up my #1 fan, Margie Brown. Cuz, love and respect.